Hello, kindergarten. Let's continue talking about time by the hour. We are going to do our math lesson today for Thursday, April 23. Okay, and this is what's really cool about our math is the pattern for these is very, very much the same. Okay, and we're going to talk about 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock today. All right, I'm going to tilt you down. Okay, here we go. So we have digital clocks that show the time in numbers, and we have our analog clocks. So you are going to draw hour hands and minute hands to show 4 o'clock. Okay, whenever it is 00, we are on the hour. There are 0 minutes into the hour, and your minute hand, the long hand, is always pointing at the 12. Okay, and your hour hand is pointing at the number for the hour. So for 4 o'clock, it's pointing at the 4. And the hour hand is much shorter. It's only going to go about halfway. Okay, so make sure you're not going just drawing your lines. However, take the time to do your best. Okay, and then it's going to be identical on our watch. We're going to point at the 12 for our minutes, and just a little hand halfway pointed at the 4 o'clock, at the 4. Okay, and then we're going to write it in our digital clock here, just like how it is showing our numbers. There's our 4 for the hour and 0, 0 for the minutes. Okay, and then you're going to rainbow write how to write it in numbers and writing the 4 o'clock in words. You can come back and do that part later. Okay, let's turn the page. And I really hope that you enjoyed that maze because you're going to do another one for 4 o'clock. Okay, super fun, super easy, great practice finding that clock. And you've got your example right here. You have start. So this is your first clock. And then you have the finish clock right down here. So I would encourage you to color those first so you see and know where you're starting and where you are finishing, okay? So, and then you're only gonna go up and down or left to right. There is no diagonal in these mazes. So you're gonna look to the side, that's pointing at a 2. I recognize that from yesterday, that's 2 o'clock. I'm looking for 4 o'clock. So now I'm going to go down. Oh, there it is. I'm only going to put an X on it for now. And there's another 2 o'clock. Oh, there's a 4 o'clock. Let's see. That's that 2 o'clock again. 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay, that's a 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Oh, another 4 o'clock. Let's see, I just went down. So there's 4 o'clock. There's 6 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock. See, sometimes, and I've had students do this in the past, ooh, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Oh, oops, there's no 4 o'clock over here. Where do I go? Guess what? That's a 6 o'clock. Slow down, take your time, do it right the first time. It's also another reason why I encourage you to just put X's. It's a lot easier to try and scratch out one of these or even switch colors, okay? So be very careful. Here's another 4 o'clock. Nope, nope, there it is. I'm gonna check all sides, okay? There's another one. Nope, oh, there it is. Check every side. I'm not rushing, okay? Take your time. It's not a race. 3 o'clock. Oh, look, there's a 4 o'clock. There's the finish. I'm going to just zoom right across. Look, I'm getting really excited because that's a 4 o'clock. There's a 4 o'clock. There's a 4 o'clock. Okay, this happens to be one time when the whole bottom row is 4 o'clock, but I have seen other time mazes that they've gone up and over and across. So now you can go back and color in your clocks. Okay? You can finish that one a little later. But guess what? The next page is identical to your first one. Okay? So pretty soon you should be able to do these without my help because you are so smart. So now we're making 5 o'clock. Minute hand at the 12 for the minutes. Little halfway hour hand toward the 5 for the hour. Same thing on my watch. Okay, now I'm going to do body, belly, hat, and then 0, 0 for the minutes. And just like the first page, you're going to rainbow write the 5 o'clock in numbers and the 5 o'clock in words. Okay, and you can finish that part later. And then here is another totally fun, totally awesome maze for 5 o'clock. Okay, just like the other ones, here's our start, here's our finish, and here is what it looks like. But guess what? You're going to try this one on your own. You can do it. You're smart. I wouldn't give it to you if I didn't think you could do it. Okay? But if you need help, don't be shy. Ask. Okay? And have your grown-up call me. I'm always here to help you. Okay? All right. Have fun with it, and I'll see you later.